basic functionality. It tracks your body. If you move
Yeah.
to the right, please move. Move. Yeah, move. It follows you, right?
It's following me.
Yeah,
Okay.
follows you, right? There's
Within
a
a
different
certain-
one. It's about face, right? Round circle. You see?
Yeah.
You move to
Okay.
the right, please.
Okay.
Yeah, it's working.
So, okay.
Yeah. Those are the two main functionality the Pivo Pod has.
Okay, so mainly it'll track something.
Yeah. Track the object. It's
Okay.
animal or human or when you play basketball
Right.
or when you dance.
So,
Follow you.
so how difficult is it to set up?
How?
Yeah,
This is software. It's the
What?
power of software.
the software.
Yeah.
So you just install the software?
Yeah. Application. It's not a software. Just we can install application, and then it has the functionality.
Right.
And if you connect your phone with Pivo Pod, done.
Okay, so let's say that I have.
Yeah, Dirk is right there. Dirk. Yeah.
Okay, well, can I just finish asking
Yeah,
you
yeah.
a question? So once the software is installed, then what happens? Then you just turn this on. You put your phone in
Yeah,
it.
yeah. Turn on the Pivo Pod,
Yeah.
and with the application, you will see the connecting. Easy to connect.
Yeah.
Very easy. So you can see your face right here. I will show it to you.
Okay.
Okay. There are applications we have for now 7.
7.
Yeah, but we
That seems
are
a
going
little
to
overkill.
too many, overwhelming. So we are integrated to like 4.
To 4.
Yeah. So it has a different functionality, but just we are going to integrate them. So this is the Pivo Plus. It activates, right? And this is a plus button. Looking for a Pivo device.
Right.
Pivo Max. Connect it. And then you see it's directly connected with the device.
Okay, so basically it moves on the same plane in a circular
Yeah, right.
footprint,
Yeah.
right?
360.
360. So if you have somebody who's jumping around, like doing aerobics or something,
Yeah.
does that still work?
We have a lock-on tracking. We can pick up just one person.
One person.
It follows just one person.
Uh-huh.
But if you just use the body tracking, yeah, some complication you will see.
Okay.
Yeah, but lock-on tracking, that's for just one person.
And it stays in focus.
Yeah.
Stays in focus.
Yeah.
So what happened? Everything that you're recording is on your phone,
Uh-huh.
right? So then you just go in and edit it or do whatever you want with it.
Sure. Sure.
So when you stop on your phone, it's stopping, and then this will stop.
Yeah, disconnected. Yeah.
Okay. All right.